Okay, so I just want to take a minute here to go over how to do one of these Newton's second law problems. So we have a problem here that says how many newtons of force are needed to accelerate a 400 kilogram cart 5 meters per second squared. So they're asking for force, so we'll write down the force formula. Force equals mass times acceleration. And we know that this is the mass and this is the acceleration. So we will put that into our problem. Force equals 400 kilograms times 5 meters per second squared. All right, so step 3, we'll do the math. 400 times 5 is 2,000, and kilogram meter per second squared. And for the final step, we write the answer with the right units, and we know from our notes that a kilogram meter per second squared is a newton, so the answer is 2,000 newtons. Okay, so here we have another problem. How many newtons of force are needed to accelerate a 2,000 gram cart 5 meters per second squared? So you might notice that the mass is in grams, and in order for there to be newtons, we have to have kilograms meters per second squared. So the teacher's being mean here and giving you a wrong unit. So mean teacher, that must mean Komodo team. So when we write our formula down, force equals mass times acceleration. We know the acceleration here, but the mass needs to be in kilograms. So we remember that there's 1,000 grams in a kilogram, so 2,000 grams is going to be 2 kilograms. And that's going to be our mass. So then we write with our numbers in, 2 kilograms times 5 meters per second squared. So the force is 2 times 5 is 10, and you have kilogram meter per second squared, and then we write the answer with the correct units. Kilogram meters per second squared, of course, is a newton, so the force is 10 newtons. That's what's required.